Welcome back to Cody's Corner Garage. Heading to a car show. Couple old Volkswagens. This will be fine. It's only, a couple hours. No big deal. I've only put like 200 kilometers on the car since I got it done, but it's fine. We'll make it. So this is my buddy's Mark 1 Rabbit. It's also a diesel. Some of my friends actually have nice cars, decent ones. I don't. But it turned out pretty good. I like it. Seems to be working fine, so hopefully we'll make it there. See you at the show.
Bruh.
Well, made it to MVOC. A few cars here, just a couple, you know. Everything from Beetles and buses, Mark 1s, 2s, 3s, all the way up to 7 or 8 or 10 or whatever we're on now. Let's go have a look around and see what's here.
People who are interested in
Well, there you go, me and the $480 Jetta made it all the way to that car show and back after this car sat since, what, 2018, 19, something like that. Not that long, but it needed a lot of work. It was pretty much destined for the crusher. Like, it didn't have much life left in it. But we nursed her back, got it on the road again. Now, truth be told, the show was about a week ago. I've been daily driving this every day since, and it's doing really good. And I truthfully, honestly, do only have $480 into this. So, you know, you don't need a high dollar, great big expensive build, fancy, you know, 8 bajillion horsepower to go have fun. You can go get cans of spray paint from a discount store and get an old rusty turd back on the road and drive it and have a lot of fun. And I'd say, miles per gallon, bang for your buck type deal, this is probably the best car I have. So, if you like this content, like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate it very much. Next time we might be, you know, over in this direction, here. So yeah, see you next time.